Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 3T1040, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll all the way down and click on System. Following that, you need to choose Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Keyboard. Over here, select Theme section, scroll down and click on Show More to see all available ones. Finally, you can click on the best theme for you. I will go with this one. Manage keyboarders thanks to this sweater. And click on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, swipe up and tap on this plus icon under My Themes in order to customize it. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply. Then you can pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, choose Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally, click on Done, manage keyboarders and choose Apply. In order to delete one of your keyboards, click on it and tap on this pin icon. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to edit it, click on one of the customized ones, choose this pen icon instead, and do wherever you wish to. Then click on Save and tap on Apply again. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!